So yun, good morning mga kabubbles. Nandito na po ang ating 500 meters standard solid ng ating PNP Maritime Group. So abangan nyo mga kabubbles ang ating PNP Maritime Group sasalang na sa ating boat. So yun na mga kababos, ang ating boat number 4, ang ating 500 meters standard. Andyan po ang ating PNP Maritime Group, ang MG Paddlers.
The flag box says why? Because there are 14 flags. May nakita po ba kayong cellphone sa boat number 2? You know, every time they announce lost and found items, nagkaroon ko mag-checking the 500 pesos, the English races, who owned it. Kaya may nakapulot lang, or kung nakita kayo nag-note na items yan, ipulot ang itong Manila po. Thank you to the team who checked it out. To the owner of the cellphone, wala daw sa boat number 2, connect ko na mag-paddles.
So yun mga kababols, nag-i-start na po ang ating 500 meters standard. Andyan po ang ating PNP Maritime Group Paddlers. So yan, nag-i-start na mga kababols. Go, go! So ang ating boat number 4, ang ating PNP Maritime Group.
We just started the kind of year paddling category for the open standard number 6, and it still looks like they're all side by side, and they're still on the car how it's starting. Look, very soft. You can have secret to paddle salt is not just affecting the breathing, this is the motion of the wings, the catch, the claw. You are should be coordinated to help your leg power because if you get into the cave, that's it, goodbye. You're going to go back to the boat, and that's what you don't want to happen. You want to be as light as possible and pull it as much load as you can. Regardless if you're a female or a male, as long as you're doing your best and that's what it will take. So we have one boat that is like one ahead and that is, okay, that is what we can do.
Yun, nangunguna po ang ating PNP lane number 4. Go PNP!
And we are leading a boat ahead. This is already halfway through the 500-meter mark, and we are down to
Go, go, go!
the last 100 meters. And let's see if we can make
Yun, nangunguna po ang ating PNP Maritime Group Paddlers. Yan, congratulations! PNP Maritime Group Paddlers. Ayun, nandyan na po ang ating MG Paddlers. Yeah, congratulations! Yay! Napakalakas! Napakalakas! Yun, yung mga MG Paddlers. Congratulations! So, yan mga kababols ng ating 500 meters. Congratulations! Yay! Grabe! Ibang malakas! Happy birthday! So yun, mga kababols, kailangan na nilang mag-cool down. So congratulations, sila po ang nanalo ng ating 500 meters. So mga kababols, nanalo na po tayo sa ating 500 meters. Abangan po natin ang ating final. Nandyan po ang ating Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Navy, ating Bureau of Jail, of course ang ating PNP MG Paddlers. So abangan ang ating championship.
But that's also been with us with international.